How to change Gemini language on a Google app. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily change Gemini language on a Google app. So first thing, I want you to open your Google application just like this and make sure you are logged into your account. And Google has currently accessed the Gemini as a help assistant as well. So what you want to do is just tap on your profile icon over here at the top right, and once you click on it, just click on the settings. And once you're inside your settings, from here you can see the Gemini option. So simply tap on it and scroll, just click on languages. You can see the language option, and from over here you will be seeing two different options, that is your language, which the Gemini default use, and its Google Assistant feature as well. So you can also use a language that works with Gemini only. So what you want to do is just tap on this English language over here, and you can just tap on this add a language, and you can choose. It depends upon you what language you choose, so you can choose any language over here and just restart the application, and the effects will take place just like that. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to channel. See you on the next one.